So number 1 tells us that there were 144 cookies at a high school bake sale. So if 1/3 were sold 4th period and 1/4 of the remaining cookies were sold 5th period, how many dozen were left for 6th period? So let's first work this out period by period. So if we start out with 144, if we then do 1/3 of 144, that means that we were left with 4, so for our 4th period, that we sold 48 cookies. So if we started off with 144, and then in 4th period, we sold 1/3, which is 48 cookies, that means that we're left with 144 minus 48. So if we subtract those, we end up with 96 cookies to start off 5th period. So now it says 1/4 of the remainder, so 1/4 of 96. So that means that if we divide 96 by 4, that's going to be 24. And so that means that we sold 24 cookies during 5th period. So if we now subtract 24 from 96, we're then left with 72 cookies. But they don't want to know how many we were left with, they want to know how many dozen were left. So we want to know how many times 12 goes into 72, so 72 divided by 12 gives us 6. So we were left with 6 dozen cookies for 6th period. And so 6 is our answer.